Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Power BI Pro or Premium account and source access. Next, choose Direct Query or a live connection. This lets Power BI request fresh data rather than import snapshots. Once done, open Power BI Desktop, connect to your live source, SQL, Azure Synapse, or a real-time API, and supply credentials. Make sure privacy levels and gateway settings are compatible, because mismatches block live queries. This gets you into the live flow immediately, without unnecessary imports. Once connected, configure the middle steps. If your source is on-site, install and register the on-premises data gateway so Power BI service can reach your server. Then create a dataset or data flow using Direct Query for databases or use the Push API for streaming events. This determines how data is fetched. After that, map service credentials, and if you combine import with live, set a light scheduled refresh. Test queries and visuals now to validate latency and permissions before publishing. Finally, publish your report to the Power BI service and confirm the dataset is using live mode. Monitor performance in workspace settings. Check refresh history, metrics, and gateway health to spot bottlenecks. If visuals show stale or error states, start troubleshooting. Verify credentials, firewall rules, and gateway connectivity. Make sure privacy level settings allow direct query and that query folding is supported for efficiency. If needed, simplify queries or add indexes on the source to improve responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.